Carrot Soup by Segal. It was spring, Rabbit's favorite season. It was time to plant the garden, order carrot seeds, and look forward to enjoying his favorite food, carrot soup. Early horn, lunar white, short and sweet, bolero, Thumbelina, Paris market, autumn king. Rabbit plowed and planted. Rabbit watered and weeded. He waited and waited and waited, until finally it was time to pick the carrots. Rabbit gathered his tools and his wheelbarrow, and off he went. But something was terribly wrong at the carrot patch. Rabbit looked up. Rabbit looked down. He looked over and under, and inside and out. Rabbit saw roots and rocks and dirt and mud. But what Rabbit did not see were carrots. There were no carrots. They were gone. Rabbit went to see Mole. "Mole, have you seen my carrots?" Rabbit asked. "Someone has stolen my carrots." And Mole replied, "Rabbit, you know I don't see very well. Why don't you ask Dog?" "Dog, someone has taken all of my carrots," said Rabbit. "Have you seen them?" "I don't care much for carrots," said Dog. "Why don't you ask Cat?" "Cat, I was hoping to have carrot soup tonight, but my carrots have disappeared," said Rabbit. "Have you seen them?" "Carrots?" asked Cat. "Why would I be interested in your carrots? Perhaps Duck knows something about carrots." Rabbit asked Duck, "Have you seen my carrots?" "I prefer fish to carrots," said Duck. "Pig will eat anything though. Maybe he has seen your carrots." But Pig was nowhere to be found. "No carrot soup tonight," thought Rabbit sadly. Discouraged and disappointed, Rabbit went home. Surprise!
Okay friends, that's the end of our story. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.